So first off, just come close to the camera. Let's have a little wave, a smile, just be like, hello, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
When we sing, it's all about connecting. Right, let's get a bit loose. Can you just give me a stretch and a yawn? We're going to go, oh. Nice big yawn. One more time. Lovely. And give yourself a shake. And we're going to do a body grumble. We're going to go really annoyed. And then we're going to do something called Little Chihuahua Scaredy Cat. So we're going to scrunch our face up and be really little, really little. And then we're going to do Scaredy Cat into the camera like this. And then we're going to go back to little and Scaredy Cat. Let's do that again. Little Okay, last little vocal exercise. This is quite an important one, and if ever you think, I'm going to sing a song, I need a quick warm-up, this is a good go-to one. It's called Sirens. So to the sound of NG, like at the end of sing, you're going to find your lowest note. You're going to swoop up to your highest note and then back down. So I'll give you an example like this. I'm going to say sing to start off with. Sing. Okay. Don't push your voice too much, just nice and lightly, and see how low and high you can get. Let's give that a go all together. And each time try and just get it a little smoother, maybe start a little lower, aim a little higher. Let's do it twice more. Okay, so you might find it starts off quite high for your voice. If you do, sing a little softer. Don't try and push for those higher notes. A softer voice is okay on the high notes. As it comes down, it will get more into your what we know as the chest voice, and that's where you can really sort of sing out and belt it out a bit. If you don't want to stand up, that's fine. We can do arm lifting as well. So if you, for this one particularly, you can put your arm up and down so you can join in or anything like that. You don't have to be standing up and sitting down. Bring back, bring back, oh bring back my body to me, to me. Bring back, oh bring back my body to me. Lovely, okay. Hopefully that's our bodies and minds now also warmed up. Egg, the egg in the bird and the bird in the nest and the nest on the limb and the limb on the branch, branch on the tree and the tree in the hole in the bog and the bog down in the valley. Oh, ho, roll the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley. Oh, ho, roll the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley. Oh, and in that egg there was a bird, a rare bird, a rattling bird. We will always remember to smile, smile, smile. So keep us warm till we find a brighter day. Keep me warm till we find a brighter day. The sun will come back out again and shelter us from the rain. Keep us warm with smiles upon our faces, upon our faces. There we go. So the idea of the vocal cool down is to take pressure away from our vocal cords and just normalise our sound a bit. Because we've warmed up, we've used our
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thanks, Becky.
That's all right.
You.
So I was just looking at the messages.